In this video, I will show you how to dash in Blox Fruits with an Xbox controller. So let's jump straight into it. So I'm actually going to be showing you how to do this today on the Xbox version of Roblox, and as you can see, I've got my controller here ready to go. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up Roblox, and then what we're going to do is load up Blox Fruits and jump into the game. And here we are in Blox Fruits. Now to go ahead and actually dash with your controller, what you need to do first of all, if you're just walking about normally, you want to actually go ahead and press the L3 stick. And once you push this in, as you can see, we're now running. Now what you need to do is actually move the stick in the direction you want to go, and you want to flick it kind of in the direction that you want to go. So for example, if I want to go right, I'm just going to flick the stick. And basically when you're running, you just flick it like this. And as you can see, we can start dashing around. So it's all done with the left joystick. Of course, if you're just walking about, you want to push the stick in first of all, so you start running, and then when you start running about, you can double flick the stick, and basically that's going to allow you to dash in Blox Fruits. So that is how to dash in Blox Fruits with your Xbox controller. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.